Hello everybody, Smellsy back again. I'm back with a retail baseball break. I got the brand new 2016 Elite Extra Edition. This retail box comes with 2 autographs, 2 mem cards, and the set also comes with a USA mem card. So 5 hits on 11 cards. Picked this up on eBay for $35, so not bad. Looking about $7 per hit. Comes out too. Let's check it out. The big chase this year on this is Tim Tebow. Got a nice baseball auto in this. Looks like I have to open up the bottom. Interesting. Little package here. Let's see if I can do it without tearing everything out. See, I totally messed up how to open this up, probably. Just maybe it slides out. Interesting. Alright, so we got the USA pack, which is thin. I thought it was a memorabilia, so maybe it's an auto. Let's go ahead and do the USA pack first. Oh, that's an autograph. Ah, it's pretty cool. It's like the Contenders autograph. Very neat. Mike Sani. Contenders auto, not numbered. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice little bonus there. So it probably means I'll have 3 autographs. There's only 2 packs, 5 cards each. Oh, very cool design this year. Not bad. Like the foil. Numbered to 999 for the Braves. Whoa. Braxton Garrett, numbered to 200. Very cool design this year. I haven't given big credit for that. I haven't seen any of this open yet. That is a sharp looking card. Alright, let's put that over. Dias, numbered to 999. 3 serial number cards. Pretty cool. Ah, dual jerseys this year. Nice. $2.99. Not a bad design. No stats or anything at the back. And the autograph. Matt Gage for the Giants. Pretty good looking autograph. It is a sticker autograph. Blends in pretty well though. Not too bad. So yeah, pretty happy with that pack. Good looking cards. Alright. The last pack here should be 1 auto and them in this also. Ryan Hendricks, numbered to 999. Pretty shiny. Steven Dugard, numbered to 75. Aspirations. Giants box. Alright. Save that for the last. Austin Franklin, numbered to 999. Bryson Brigman, dual jersey, numbered to 299. Huh. And I got a die cut auto. Number 75, Stephon Crichton. Very cool for the Orioles. I have to say, very cool. I got 3 autographs. The USA autographs. We really like the looks of the cards this year. Probably open them up more. I might look into a hobby box. But there's the autos. I like the dual jerseys. Pretty neat. And the base cards are very nice looking base cards. So I'll give a big thumbs up for this. $35. You get like 6, there's 6 serial number cards, 2 autos, and I got 3 autos and 2 jersey cards. So a lot of value there. So that's it for this break of 2016 Elite Edition retail box. Thanks for watching, guys.